Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials, LinkedIn open and your Gmail ready. First, sign in and click your avatar, then choose Settings and Privacy. Once in Account Preferences, locate Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn stores email addresses. You do this because LinkedIn requires an added address for recovery and notifications. Make sure your Gmail is accessible. Keep its tab ready for verification. This step ensures you can receive the confirmation email immediately and complete the linkage without delays. Now add the Gmail itself. Click the pencil icon or add email address in Contact Info and type your full Gmail address. Accuracy matters because one mistyped character blocks verification. After you submit, LinkedIn sends a verification message, either a code or a link, so switch to your Gmail tab. Once you receive it, click the verification link or enter the code back on LinkedIn. This confirms you control that email and links it to account recovery, notifications, and two-step processes. Finish by choosing whether Gmail becomes your primary address. Select Make Primary in Contact Info if you prefer login and alerts there. If the verification email doesn't arrive, click Resend Verification, inspect spam and promotions, and disable aggressive filters. Sometimes corporate or ISB rules block messages. If you still can't verify, remove any duplicate addresses and try again, or use LinkedIn's account recovery flow. Remember, verification proves ownership and prevents account lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.